Today we're going to do a really simple cat. So lots of little kids love drawing cats, and this is a really great way to start them off on doing cats. So I'm going to do the little nose first, just a quick little triangle. I'm tilting the face this way, as you can see up here. So then I do a little stem, and then a candy cane shape this way, like this way, and then a candy cane this way. Okay, so you have two little candy canes, then a little upside down rainbow, just like that. Then go from each edge of the nose out just a little bit up, and there's the eye, this one. Make the eye a little bit darker once you're happy with the lines you've made. Okay, then we're going to do the shape of the face, which looks like a big lemon shape. So start from the edge of the mouth, the cheeks, and go out, and out. And then you can make all kinds of shapes of cats, but this is a really easy one. You can make it rounded or really fluffy, so have some fun with that. Go from the edge of the eye up. Let's do the ear, just a little triangle. Okay. And then edge of the eye. You add that extra little triangle to make the thickness of the ear. Like that. Okay, I'm going to darken mine so it's easier to see. Good. Next we're going to do the back. Okay, so start on this side of the ear. Go almost make a ball shape. Okay, and then it turns into the tail. So as it comes this way, it's going to go down a little bit and then back up. And that's your tail. And it can end anywhere you want, but you can either tuck, this is the hip and the back leg. You can tuck that foot under the tail if you don't want to draw it, or I might draw it in this one to show you if you like that look. There. So it looks like a backwards two, right? And then you add some toes. Okay? And then, as you can see, this one is going under his little chin and then creating a little paw. So do that. And then make little toes. And then there's an extra little face there. Then there's going to be a little bit of fur there. Jiggity jiggity. And then you can add extra details, but that's pretty much it. You can add a little flick there and a flick there. You can add this kind of shape to make kind of a snout shape if you want. You could add little eyelashes. You could add a little crown. You could add a little ball of yarn. So you do curve, 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 and then the other way, curve, 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 curve. Okay, so have fun with that. Okay, bye.